Hey there fellow travelers, it's Jed from Intentional Travelers, and we've got an exciting unboxing and travel gear review for you. As a fellow traveler, you know that depending on where you're going, how long you'll be traveling, and taking in other important factors, having the right luggage or bag can really enhance or hinder your trip. So when Level8 reached out and asked if we'd like to try out some of their gear, we jumped at the opportunity, and I immediately tested them out on a recent trip from Oregon to California. But I'm getting ahead of myself. So let's go back a little bit and check out what they actually sent us. So what we have here are two luggage pieces from Level8, specifically one check-in and one carry-on. First up is the Luminous Textured 24 check-in. This case features a polycarbonate hardshell material that is both pleasing to look at and nice to touch. No joke. It's also scratch resistant and waterproof. The case opens up directly through the middle, revealing two main compartments on either side. There's extra zippered storage areas on one side, and both main areas have tie-down straps with an easy-to-use buckle system. Though weighing 9.8 pounds, the bag feels lightweight even though it's a durable hardshell. Additional features include a built-in TSA-approved lock, smooth telescoping handle with multiple heights, and great wheels for easy rolling on multiple surfaces. For my week-and-a-half-long trip, I was easily able to fit some packing cubes worth of stuff, my running shoes, my memory foam pillow, a yoga mat, and lots of gifts, which yes, included a couple bottles of wine. All of my items fit easily and arrived safely in California after a couple of flights and airport transfers. The two minor complaints I have about the Luminous check-in are that I wish it was expandable and that it opened from the top when laid down to create a larger main compartment instead of splitting into two smaller ones. But this is Level8's base collection line for check-ins, which means the Luminous check-in cannot be beat for its price and value. Those small gripes I mentioned are addressed in Level8's Adventure line, which you should definitely check out. Overall, I was impressed and enjoyed the Luminous textured case, and it's become our go-to check-in luggage. Next up is Level8's Capture Carryon. This bag instantly reminded me of the professional gear that you see airline crew use with its tough nylon fabric outer. This bag is all about functionality, featuring 3 front zippered compartments, including one large enough to safely store a laptop. The bag is also expandable with a half zipper that goes around, and when disengaged, gives it an extra 6 liters of space. When laid on its back, the bag opens up from the top, revealing a small zipper compartment and a large main compartment with some straps to hold everything in place. Similar to the Luminous check-in, the same great wheel design can be found on the Capture Carryon for smooth rolling. With up to 46 liters of space, this Level8 carry-on easily ate 7 pairs of pants, 12 shirts, and 8 pairs of underwear with plenty of room to spare. I appreciated how easy this carry-on fit in the Southwest's tiny overhead compartment and had no problem guiding it through the airport terminals. Overall, this has become my favorite travel bag, period. I love all the functionality and features. It works great as a carry-on, but can hold more than enough items to function as a check-in for longer trips. This is only one of many carry-ons that Level8 features on their site, so check out all the styles and options that best fit your own travel needs. But wait, there's more. Level8 also sent us a set of packing cubes with my new favorite feature, compression zippers. This particular set had 6 pieces of various sizes, more than enough for Michelle and I, making it an awesome value. But the game-changing feature is the compression packing, which is new for me. Here you'll see I use the same cubes from earlier, each filled to the max with my clothing. The cubes have not been compressed and zipped up. You can see that they don't fit the Capture Carry-on's main compartment. By zipping up the compression part of the packing cube, I'm able to reduce the overall size of each cube. Depending on how full you pack each cube, this might take a little bit of energy and effort, but it's designed well that you shouldn't run into any issues. With each packing cube compressed and zipped up, they now easily fit into the Capture Carry-on, with room to spare for additional items. I'm a compression packing believer. Finally, you can tell how great a brand or company is on how much they care about the little things. Small details and touches throughout their product line. The quality of their materials, handles that glide up and down smoothly, zippers and buckles that work as they should, and wheels that actually roll. The little things matter and can make a big difference in your overall experience. Level8 does all of these things well and then some. We're big fans of their products. They make great luggage travel gear that makes travel more smooth. And that's what we're all looking for in our travel gear. For things to go more smoothly, so we can focus on the things that matter more, like the people we love and the memories we create together when we travel. Happy travels, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.